Xo'p, assalomu alaykum do'stlar. Bugun 2 kun oldin tashlagan PDF variantini tushuntirib bermoqchiman, qanday ishlatishni. U juda muhim section. O'zim ham yaqinda foydalanishni boshlaganman. Qanday qilib foydalanish kerakligini. Hozir qayerda qoldi? Xo'p, mana ekan. Ochib olamiz PDFni. Buni Cloudy'da tayyorlaganman. Agar Cloudy ishlatadiganlar bo'lsa, buni yaxshi biladi. O'sha qanday tayyorlangan? Xo'p, avval o'rgangan so'zlarim, grammatikalarim va collocationlar, speaking and reading listening hammasidan jam qilib o'rganganlarimni Cloudy'da tarjima qildirganman va o'shalardan o'sha so'zlardan, grammatikalardan readinglar, writinglar, speaking javoblar tayyorlatganman esda qolish uchun. Buni har kuni ertalab bir o'qilsa juda ham efficiency bo'ladi. Foydasi juda ham katta. Xo'p, qanday ishlashini ko'rsatsam, Writes Writing Speaking Academic Challenge Guide. Band 8 Structures, Advanced Vocabulary, Perfect Templates. Birinchida qo'llanmani bergan mana. Bu qo'llanmada on academic structure, categories, opinion, cause, effect, addition, contrast, static. Onda writing uchun complete sectionlar, structurelar, o'sha grammatika va vocabularylardan tayyorlangan. Ikkinchisi band 8 vocabulary, collocations, 50 plus words, phrases. 8 bandlik vocabulary va collocationlardan 50 dan ko'p so'zlar va frazalar bor. Perfect essay templates, introduction, body, conclusion. Perfect essay templateslar bor, ya'ni qoliplar introduction uchun, body paragraflar uchun va conclusion xulosa uchun. 3 complete reading passages with all structures. 3 ta complete reading passages bor, ya'ni o'sha hamma to'plangan vocabulary, collocationlar, grammatikalar bilan to'plangan 3 ta katta passage bor, tayyorlangan. 8 darajali u ham. 3 writing task 2 with model answers. 3 ta to'liq essay bor, writing task 2 bor, javoblari bilan, savoli, javobi bilan. 3 speaking part 2 topics with band 8 responses. 3 ta speaking part 2 topiki va 8lik javoblar bor. Practice exercises with answer case. Practice qilingan o'sha javoblari bilan. Maqsad writing task 2 va speaking part 2 da band 8 ga erishish uchun barcha kerakli strukturalar. Buni hammasini o'zimni to'plagan resurslarim bilan Cloudy'da tayyorlangan. Bu yerda mundarijasi bor, mundarija hozir kerak emas. Mana keyingi boshlanishiga. Section 1 Core Academic Structures. Expressing opinion. Express o'zini his-tuyg'ularini ochib beradigan fikr bildirish uchun opinionlar berilgan. Birinchisi I firmly believe that. Tarjimasi qat'iy ishonaman. Example, I firmly believe that education is essential. Men qat'iy ishonaman, education, ta'lim juda ham muhim. I'm convinced that, aminman. Example, I'm convinced that technology improves learning. Aminmanki texnologiya o'rganishni yaxshilaydi. From my perspective, Buni ko'pchilik bilsa kerak. Mening nuqtai nazarimdan, from my perspective, this is crucial. Nuqtai nazarimdan bu muhim. In my opinion, buni hamma noldan boshlaganlarim bilsa kerak. Menimcha, in my opinion, both factors are significant. Fikrimcha, ikkala factor ham muhim. I would argue that bu speakingda ishlatiladi, writingda emas. Men shuni ta'kidlayman. I would argue that quality matters more. Cause effect uchun ikkinchisi structures. This is due to the fact that mana shu structure juda ham crucial. Buning sababi, this is due to the fact that costs are rising. Ham so'zni ko'paytiradi, ham daraja e'tibor bilan juda yaxshi structure. This is because birinchi ishlatib, keyin body paragraph 2da shuni ishlatsa bo'ladi. This is due to the fact that, hop, as a result, buni hamma bilsa kerak, tushuntirish shart emas. For this reason, shu sababli, example, for this reason investment is crucial. Shu sababli investitsiya kiritish muhim. Consequently, bu ham ko'pchilik bilsa kerak, as a resultning synonymi. Therefore, shuning uchun, therefore change is necessary. Adding informatsiya qo'shish uchun in addition hamma biladi, furthermore'ni bilsa kerak hamma. Moreover, common. Additionally'ni ko'pchilik ishlatmasa kerak. In addition deb ishlatadi ko'pincha. Lekin additionally deb ishlatilsa, inversion nominalization bo'lib keladi, yaxshiroq hisoblanadi. Not only but also structure bu nima desa bo'ladi? Program meni yoqtiradigan structure bu grammatika juda ham chiroyli. Nafaqat bu, balki bu ham degani. Misol uchun, not only improves skills but also increases confidence. Nafaqat skillni oshiradi, balki o'sha confidentni yaxshilaydi deyapti. Mana shu structureni juda ham yaxshi ko'raman. Ayniqsa bu inversiya shakli ekan. To'g'ri qo'llanilsa 8+ oladi bu grammatika. Showing contrast, solishtirishni ko'rsatish uchun. However, on the other hand, also despite this, nevertheless, advanced structures, mana bu grammatika, ular juda ham muhim va yuqori darajali. The more tarjimasi proportional relation'ni ko'rsatadi. Example, the more you practice, the better you become. Qanchalik ko'p practice qilsang, shunchalik yaxshi bo'lasan degani. Tend to moyil bo'lmoq. Students tend to perform better with support. Be likely to, buni ko'pchilik biladi. Well-ni o'rniga ishlatilsa juda ham yaxshi. Be off, mana bu structure juda ham zo'r. Yaqinda topganman. This is of great importance. Formal emphasis. Bu nima degani? This is very important degani oddiy ishlatilishi. 6 darajali, 5 darajali turadi u. Lekin mana bu shakli, this is of great importance, 7.5+ turadi. 7.5 dan yuqori turadi u. Chunki this is very crucial degani, bu juda ham muhim degani. This is of great importance degani, bu ham juda ham muhim degani, lekin bu juda ham yuqori darajada turadi. Keyin esa it is widely acknowledged that general agreement qisman qo'shilish. It is widely acknowledged that education is vital. Buni unchalik tavsiya bermayman, chunki spellingda xato ketishi mumkin. Maqsad writingdan har bir body paragrafdan kamida 2-3 ta bu strukturalardan ishlatish kerak deyapti. Section 2, band 8 vocabulary collocations. Top band 8 adjectives. Significant, essential, beneficial, efficient, crucial, vital, effective, detrimental, substantial, considerable misollari bor bu yerda. This has a significant impact on society. Education is essential for development. This approach is beneficial for students. Mana shu adjektivlarni yodlab olsa, juda ham katta foydasi bor writing tasvibida ayniqsa. Chunki mana shu hammasini любой topikda qo'llab ketsa bo'ladi. Mana bu yerda ko'rsatib qo'ygan misollar bilan. Misol uchun texnologiya mavzusida bo'lsa, technology makes learning more efficient. Shunga o'xshash. Top band 8 collocations. Sakkizli collocationlar. Bu yerda mana eng commonlardan biri play a crucial role, have a significant impact, raise public awareness, exert a positive influence on. Mana shuni juda ham yoqtiraman. Yaqinda topganman. Writingda ham ishlatgandim. Juda zo'r collocation mana shu. Misolni ham o'qib qo'yaylik. Teachers exert a positive influence on students. O'qituvchilar studentlarda pozitiv ta'sir ko'rsatadi deb. Contribute to development, rivojlanish uchun hissa qo'shadi. Create greater opportunities, katta opportunitylar yaratadi, imkoniyatlar. Improve academic performance, akademik natijalarni yaxshilaydi. Reduce distraction, diqqat buzilishini kamaytiradi. Enhance learning outcomes, o'rganiladigan natijalarni yaxshilaydi. Promote sustainable growth, bir tekstda o'sishni targ'ib qiladi. Formal academic verbs. Mana bu yerda solishtirgan. Instead of common verbs, use this. Instead of use improve, use enhance. Example, technology enhances learning efficiency. Enhance is more important all the time, but you can use this correctly. Instead of encourage, use promote. Instead of decrease, use reduce. Instead of rise, use increase. Instead of create, build, use develop. Instead of make easier, use facilitate. Instead of put into action, use implement. Instead of show, use demonstrate. Because rather than show, demonstrate is more high level verb all the time. Here. Introduction template band 8 structures bor, 3-4 sentencelar bor bu yerda. Mana ko'rsatib qo'yilgan. O'sha qisman qolip shakl keltirilgan, o'sha men ishlatib ko'rsatgan strukturalardan. In today's world, topikni qo'yasiz, has become increasingly important. It is vital to acknowledge that topic plays a crucial role in joyi. Shunaqa, короче, bularni tushuntirish shunchalik shart emas. Body paragraph template'lar bor mana bu yerda. Sentence form, topic sentence. The main reason is that deb boshlaysiz, keyin nima uchun. Firstly, tushuntirish, topic play a crucial role. Explanation, this is due to the fact that mana kelyapti. This is because kelyapti. Tushuntirish uchun, sabab uchun. Sentence, resultlar uchun is a result, consequently. Example berish uchun, for example, for instance. Research has shown that deb qo'shib ketish juda ham aniqlik beradi, lekin uni to'g'ri qo'llash kerak. Sentence 5, concluding sentences. Xulosa yakunlash uchun therefore beryapti, thus beryapti, this is demonstrates that. Example berilgan mana the main reason is that technology enhances learning efficiency. This is due to the fact that digital resources provide instant access to information. As a result, students can learn at their own pace and review materials as needed. For example, online platforms like Khan Academy have helped millions of students improve their academic performance. Therefore, it is evident that technology plays a crucial role in modern education. Yana bitta narsani aytib o'tib ketish kerak. Example berayotganda mana bu kabi Khan Academy deb ketgani o'shanaqa aniq konkret misol berish kerak. Bo'lmasa misol unchalik misoldek bo'lmaydi. Bu yerda conclusion uchun misollar berilgan. In conclusion, to conclude, this is because, not only does, and therefore, shu kabilar. Keyin mana 3 ta katta reading berilgan dedim-ku, o'shalar so'zlardan, grammatikalardan tuzilgan. Mana o'shalar. Mana bu qorada ko'rsatilib qo'yganlarni men oldin shu Cloudy'da tarjima qilganman bilmagan so'zlarimni readinglardan yoki boshqa joylardan chiqqan so'zlar mana shu qorada aniq ko'rsatib qo'yganlar. O'shalardan tuzilgan reading. Mana shuni o'qisam o'sha esimda qolaveradi-da. Esimdan chiqib ketmaydi. In today's world, technology has become increasingly significant in shaping education practice. Buni o'qigancha ancha vaqt ketadi. 3 ta katta reading bor bu yerda va bu yerda readingdan keyin o'zlarini nimalari bor. Nima deyardi o'zbekchada? Mashq exercise'lar bor. Key structures to use. In today's world, it is often argued that aniq ko'rsatib qo'ygan shular qanday ishlatiladi. Vocabulary to include xulosa qilingan vocabulary'lar play a crucial role, have a significant impact, contribute to development, create opportunities, reduce pollution or congestion, enhance efficiency or accessibility. Practice space, write your essay on separate paper aiming for 250-280 words. Model answer band 8. Mana bu yerda 8 darajali, IELTS 8 darajali writing misollar keltirib qo'ygan. Pastda o'sha savoli ham bor mana. Many people believe that social discussion essay. Keyin o'sha strukturalarda ishlatilgan o'sha yuqori biz ishlatgan so'zlarni yana ko'rsatyapti. Shular shunday ishlatildi deb. Bu yerda mana collocationlari, practice space, o'sha practice qilish uchun mana bo'sh joy qoldirib ketilgan. Bu yana writing uchun. Bu esa speaking part 2 uchun berilgan 8 darajali topic va undagi tayyor javob va ichidan chiqqan collocation yo strukturalar shunaqalar ko'rsatilgan. Mana keyin oxirida mana exercise'lar berilgan. Ko'rib turganingizdek, mana exercise bo'sh joylar, o'shalarni mana shu so'zlar bilan to'ldirish kerak, qaramay. Bularni qilgandan keyin aniq esda qoladi. Mana yana ko'rsatib qo'ygan o'sha shularni. Xullas shu edi, tushuntirib berdim. Endi ishlatish sizlarga bog'liq. Sog' salomat bo'lasizlar.